Welcome to 697 Cowan Circle, an immaculately maintained 4+1 bedroom, 4-washroom home situated within the prestigious Rosebank neighbourhood of southwest Pickering. Featuring an inviting stone walkway and covered front entrance, this home also showcases approximately 2,900 square feet of stunning interior living space. With 9-foot ceilings, the main level has been finished with beautiful hardwood flooring, gleaming ceramic tiles, and wainscoting that flows through the hallway to the formal dining room. A powder room is nestled off the front foyer, while just off the main hall and through a set of pocket French doors is a home office or den space finished with elegant crown moldings. A modern chandelier illuminates the gorgeous entertaining space of a formal dining room that is open to a large reception area, off of which is the curved hardwood staircase to the upper level, as well as access to the lower level. The rear of the home showcases the open concept family and entertaining spaces, which encompass the kitchen, the breakfast area, and the great room. Finished with a waffled ceiling and pot lighting, the great room's bow window offers unobstructed backyard views, and this naturally bright space enjoys the cozy warmth from a gas fireplace framed with built-in cabinetry. The stunning custom gourmet kitchen showcases quartz counters and mosaic tile backsplashes, provides access to a beautifully appointed laundry room with front-load washer and dryer as well as garage access. And completing this exceptional space is contemporary cabinetry with a servery area, stainless steel appliances, and a center island with breakfast seating, pendant lighting, and double undermount sink. Along the breakfast area's accent wall is additional servery space, also ideal as a bar area while entertaining. And during the warm weather months, the entertaining spills out from here to a fully fenced, professionally landscaped, and exceptionally sized backyard with a stone patio that extends across the width of the home. Windows along the staircase wall flood natural light throughout the upper level hallway, which is finished with hardwood flooring, while Berber broadloom adds cozy comfort in all 4 bedrooms, and almost every window on this level has California shutters. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are very spacious and all have double closets, while the third and fourth bedrooms both feature lovely chandeliers, window bench seats with storage, and walls with a wainscoting style finish. These bedrooms share a 5-piece main washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a wall-to-wall vanity with double basins. Through a double-door entry is the master bedroom, a beautiful personal space with an exquisite chandelier accentuating its deeply coffered ceiling. Also featuring a large walk-in closet with organizers, the master bedroom is complete with an ensuite washroom showcasing separate bath and shower areas with ceramic finishes, as well as double basins in the vanity. The lower level has been fully finished and features laminate flooring throughout, plenty of storage space, a washroom with a tiled floor, modern vanity, and a walk-in shower, a pocket door entry into a bonus room ideal as a bedroom, as well as a spacious recreation area with pot lighting and a wet bar. This home is equipped with a smart home security system, a central vacuum system, as well as central air conditioning, and includes all electrical ceiling light fixtures and all window treatments. Situated in a quiet, close-knit community that is walking distance to both a Montessori school and one of Pickering's top-rated schools, as well as to Petticoat Creek Conservation Area, Lake Ontario, a beach, and numerous walking trails, this home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of buying or selling? Contact Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.